Happy that today again, Governor Douye has won. You will recall that this has been a series of victories affirming his victory at the election. At the election tribunal, we won. At the Court of Appeal, we won. And today, too, at the Supreme Court, the final court, the highest court of the land, we have also won, affirming his victory at the polls. So we are very happy that the appeal filed by Sylvia has been dismissed, having been found by the Supreme Court to amount to a gross abuse of court process. Thank you.
Feel right now.
Thank you very much. I feel elated, not just about our victory, but about how the judiciary head onto the point of law and ensure justice in this matter. You see, judiciary remains the last hope of a common man like myself. They were threatened, they were called names, all sorts of things, they were intimidated, but they have head onto the point of law by not allowing that to make them call what is black white and vice versa. I thank God. This victory is not all about me, myself. It is about the people that troop out on November 11 to vote.
Did you feel the court was going to annul your mandate?
Not at all. There was no reason for that. We won the election resoundingly. The election was conducted very credible, fair, and transparently. And in the history of our dear state, I think you can bear with me that this is the most peaceful election in the political history of our dear state.
Did that litigation distract you in any way from governance?
No, not that. You see, I was elected as the chief servant of our dear state to serve the people. And as such, my team and I remained committed to the reason we were elected. So it has never distracted me because I am elected to serve the people.
Now that the litigations are over right now, are you ready to work with your major adversary, your oppositions?
You see, we have always extended the olive branch to them to come and join me to move Kogi State forward. Kogi State remains our state, and we want to come together on round table to discuss the affair of our dear state. You see, it is not a personal war. It is not a personal fight. It is a contestation to hold power on behalf of the people, to serve them. And that is just it.
Let me take it home now. If Mr. Ajaka, Muritala Ajaka decide to return back to base, that's the APC, will you accept him?
Well, you know, it is not proper to stop a child from coming to his house. Our philosophy is to build a party, our party APC, to continue to win elections. And we need everyone to do that. Why not?
On the final notes, who are you dedicating this victory to?
This victory is dedicated to God Almighty, who has been God in all our affairs. But let me profoundly appreciate my father, my leader, the president of the nation, for his support, unflinching support. He is the reason why we are shining today in delivering democracy dividend to the good people of our dear state. I appreciate him for making sure that judiciary still remain and continue to remain the hope of a common man like me. And for my people, the youth, the young women and men, the elders, stakeholders, and our leaders, I sincerely appreciate them. I will not disappoint them. I promise to serve them sincerely, committedly, transparently, and with the fear of God Almighty. And for my team, we cannot afford to fail our people. Here we are. It is time for us to wear our creative cap to make sure we make life well meaningful and worth living for our dear people. Thank you and God bless you.
Congratulations.